Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background in Snapseed. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, launch the Snapseed app and now click on the plus icon and choose the background that you want to use. For now, I am selecting this image as my background. Now to add our main image, click on Tools and scroll a bit until you see double exposure. Click on it. Now click here to add the main image. Now adjust the image according to your need. This looks better. Once you resize your image, you can also choose opacity. From here you can adjust the opacity of your image just like this. And once you're happy with your edit, you can simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added background in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.